Hey guys, you asked me a question and the question was, what is the average number of pumps your heart beats in a day? How often does your heart go squish and squish blood out around your body every day? Now the first thing we have to figure out is how often our hearts beat in a minute. Now, I'm an adult human and my heart beats about 70 times a minute. Now to figure out the next maths that we have to do, we have to decide how often does that mean that our hearts beat in an hour. So we're going to take our heartbeats in a minute and we're going to multiply them by 60. Because there's 60 minutes in an hour, right? Okay. So 70 times 60 equals 4,200. So that's how often my heart beats in an hour, 4,200 times. Then we have to figure out how many hours there are in a day, and we know that that's 24. So we have to multiply 4,200 by 24, which comes out to 100,800 heartbeats in a day. So we can say that an adult human, on average, their heart beats just over 100,000 times a day. That's a bunch, right? That's a lot. Now, I've got a little bit of a challenge for you guys. I want you guys to go away and figure out some more heartbeats in a day. Now, the first thing that I want you to go and figure out is a baby human, okay? So a newborn baby's heart rate is roughly 120 beats a minute. So you're going to have to go and do the same maths. You're going to have to do 120 times 60 to find how many times in an hour, and then times 24 to figure out how many times in a day. So some of you can go and figure out baby human at 120. Some of you, I'd like to go and figure out a blue whale. So this is a huge animal, and normally the bigger the animal, the slower their heart rate. And a blue whale's heart only beats 8 times a minute. So again, we'll have to do 8 times 60, and then that result by 24 to figure out how many times it beats in a day. And for the last group, I'd like you to go and figure out a hummingbird. Now a hummingbird is a tiny little animal and its heart beats 1,260 times a minute. So we're going to have to do 1,260 times 60 to get the number of beats in an hour, and then times 24. That's going to be a big number. You guys are going to have to get ready for that. Alright, good luck guys. I will look forward to seeing the results. Maybe you could share them with me, and I'll speak to you soon. See you soon. Bye.